A day in my life as an education student who loves to learn, live, and inspire. Chikain na at dadalhin ko kayo sa aking journey. It's such a sunny day today. Alas 7 pa nga lang ng umaga, nandito na si Tita Lex. May dala daw siyang mga damit for me. Thank you po, Tita. Super na-appreciate ko. Small gestures like this remind me God uses people to show His love. Before heading to school, nagbasa muna ako ng konti because starting my day with peace and reflection always sets the tone right. Shoutout po kay Sir Jaisel. May nangyari nga this morning that made me feel a bit blue pero okay lang. We all have days like this. I'm just praying that tomorrow will be better. And I believe that God's working even when things don't go my way. After class, dumaan ako sa tindahan ng Dynamite at nakita ko nga si Elika at si Ben, my former classmates. May class ulit ako this afternoon kaya hindi ako nakapag-video masyado sa Money Hunt today, pero ginawa ko pa rin yung para sa mga classmates ko. Small but meaningful efforts kasi kahit busy, we still find time to make people smile. After ng class, diretso na naman kami sa band practice. Thank you so much, Ma'am Karen, sa pamerienda. We really appreciate your thoughtfulness. Malapit na nga ang Unicam, kaya todo practice na kami.
7 days before you day!
After a long day, umuwi na ako and this is my favorite part, time with family. Si Bunso biglang nag-crave ng milk tea kaya pumunta kami sa Crazy Ground. Habang naglalakad kami, ang ganda ng langit. Pinkish orange, parang painting. Pagdating namin, natatawa nga ako sa bunso namin dahil sobrang conscious siya sa presyo ng milk tea na para bang siya ang magbabayad. Pero deep inside, na-touch ako. At a young age, marunong na siyang mag-value ng pera. I'm proud of you, Bunso. You're my day tonight and will always be my little blessing. Yun lang for today. Thanks for spending a day with me. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing. Bye!